Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to customize your IMVU avatar. First of all, open up your IMVU application and log into your account like you normally do. And once you're logged into the main home page, go ahead and tap on your avatar on the middle of the screen over here, and this will take you to this inventory section. Now, once you end up in this inventory section, you can go ahead and customize your avatar's clothes, body type, and other miscellaneous options. Go to clothing and select the clothing you want your avatar to wear. After choosing the clothing, you can go ahead and tap the body option. There you will be able to change the color of your hair. From the hair section, select the hair type and hair color. Go to eyes and select the eye color. You can also choose the head shapes and skin type for your avatar from this section. Now, go to avatars option and you can then select more avatars for yourself. You can also add pets, rooms and furniture, and other categories as well. Browse through categories and click on them to try on or buy the outfit or the items if you want to own it permanently. Some of the items might be free while some needs to be bought from the shop. If you find anything you can buy, simply go ahead and tap on the shop button and follow through the instructions. There you will be able to visit the IMVU shop from where you can go ahead and purchase outfits using the V coin or your IMVU credits. So from there you will be able to customize your avatar on IMVU. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.